car modification videos are going viral across the social media and creators are earning very high with it. So if you are looking for a niche, I think I'm recommending one for you. Let's head over to my screen. So I will ask ChatGPT to provide me 20 engaging car names with models including big brands like Mercedes. Okay, I will send. So ChatGPT is going to provide us with 20 different classic cars. You can select any of them. You can select the one you want. Okay, so for the sake of this video, I'm selecting number 10. So this is my prompt. You will put the vehicle name, then put the type of color you want for the painting. You edit it to the color you want. Then I'll copy the prompt. Please, if you need this prompt, comment prompt in the comment section. Just show your interest in the comment section. I will give it to you. So I will head over to Flow AI where I will be generating the video. I will click here, then select 9:16 ratio. Then I will select Omni Flash 10 and 10 seconds. I want the video to be 10 seconds. You know, shorter videos go viral more. So I will paste my prompt. The prompt I copied, I will paste it then and send. If you need the prompt, just show your interest in the comment section and I will give it to you. Alright, so let's play the first video that have been generated. Here is the video. Just within few seconds it have been generated. So this is the second video. Let's play the second video too. So as you can see, this is the second video. So all you have to do is just to copy the prompt. You're not generating any image first and head over to Flow AI to generate your video at a go. So I'm going to download this now. So when you download it, you can head over to any editing software of your choice to make an edit, add some, some sound that suits this type of content. Please, I want you to do something for me right now. Give this video a thumbs up. All right, click on the subscribe button and on the notification bell, so whenever I drop amazing videos like this, YouTube is going to recommend it for you. So here is a bonus tips for this video. You need to add your own voiceover to give meaning to what you are creating. So for you to do that, we are going to head over to ChatGPT. I will say give me a voiceover for a 10 seconds video for number 10. So ChatGPT has given me voiceover and is making meaning to what I created. All right, so you can copy anyone and use any text to speech of your choice to generate the voiceover. Okay, so this is where I will stop today for this tutorial. So see you in my next video. Bye.